Android TV users were left in shock after a shocking security breach hit one of the platform's most popular YouTube clients, SmartTube. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the latest tech updates. The trouble started when an attacker somehow got hold of the developer's signing keys, allowing a malicious update to sneak onto devices unnoticed. The update included a hidden library called libelphasedk.so, which wasn't part of the open source project and ran silently in the background. The code registered devices with a remote server and kept communicating without alerting users, setting off immediate play protect alarms and raising fears of spying or surveillance. SmartTube's developer Yuri Uliskov confirmed it, calling the hidden file unexpected and suspicious and warning users it could be malware. He quickly revoked the signature and started working on a clean release. But the breach left questions unanswered about exactly which versions were affected, because older versions like 30.19 seem safe, but no definitive list exists, leaving users anxious about their devices and data. Meanwhile, experts advise to stick to verified older builds, avoid signing in with important accounts, disable automatic updates, and consider resetting passwords and reviewing account activity. Running antivirus scans and setting stricter firewall rules can help reduce risks while waiting for the fix release. Uliskov has promised to clean updates soon via the F-Droid store, but the incident is a stark reminder that even trusted open source apps aren't immune to attacks if key security measures fail. For now, SmartTube fans are left on edge, watching and waiting for a fully safe version to arrive. This breach showed that in the digital age, vigilance is key, even for apps you think you can trust. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.